I'd like to commend the Noble Lord Udney Lister for helping differentiate different products and having some precision in the way we discuss issues in relation to the bill. I've been concerned throughout about a one-size-fits-all approach, and I don't think it helps anyone, and I certainly don't think it helps in relation to health, let alone retailers and so on, as has been described. So if I can just say, heated tobacco should not be conflated as the same as vaping or vapes, but it should also not be conflated with smoking cigarettes or tobacco in that sense. And I think the Noble Lord has explained in relation to heated tobacco products, which are heated, not combusted, and that does mean that whilst they might have some degree of harm, there is a body of evidence that shows that there is a huge reduction in harmful products from heating tobacco rather than from smoking tobacco. The reason why this matters is because a lot of people do use heated tobacco as a smoking cessation tool, actually, as a form of giving up smoking, so that matters to me. I also, when I've raised issues before about the evidence in relation to heated tobacco, have been told that the problem with that evidence is it's based on research produced by the tobacco industry rather than independent researchers. Well, on the one hand, I'd like to just point out that nonetheless it is scientific evidence and can be tested as scientific evidence, whoever pays for it. But if it's the case that there is some concern about the evidence on this, then I would like to encourage the government to consider how it can fund research into the very different types of product that we're talking about, rather than simply dismissing any evidence it doesn't like the look of because if he funds it. Because we do need to have a sense of proportion. We shouldn't treat all products as the same, and as I say, I therefore reject the one-size-fits-all approach, and I think we'll have much better legislation if these things are clarified on the face of the bill and we all know what we're talking about and don't just lump things into one heading of harmful and dangerous.